girl Myra, and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, y'all? On today's look, we're gonna create this look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It looks a little beat up because it's been through a lot, girl. She has been through a lot. But anyways, we're going to be using this color right here. This is like a hunter green, and it's called Enchanted. Yeah, this color right here is called Enchanted. And then we're going to move on to this palette, which is the Exotic Pop palette, which I got it off on Instagram. Very dirt cheap. It was like around $20 or 30 bucks. I think that's cheap compared to a high-end palette. And yeah, the only colors I'm going to be using off of this palette is going to be the Sparkle Wings and the Be Sassy yellow color that's over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. And I'm also, wait, before I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna show you what product I'm using on my eyebrows. It is called the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip Pomade in the style Ebony. This is my favorite pomade for my eyebrows. This is the only thing I use for my eyebrows at this moment. I have used in the past store brand, but I've been hooked on this, and I have like 3 styles in this, but so far Ebony's been my fave for now. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. guys, let's complete this look. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what look would you like to see next. Don't forget to share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, girls. Till next time, I love you all. Bye.